Hey, this is the shack that Dennis built, and today I'm going to show you how to change the tire on your lawnmower. But first, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel so you can get updates on all my videos. So, mowing the lawn yesterday, it's kind of like the first mowing of the spring out here in Oregon. My tire went flat, so I need to fix that tire. I pumped it up with my compressor. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that tire off. I'm going to bring it to Schwab, and then I'm going to have it fixed and put it back on. Alright, so I'm using this jack here. I'm going to jack up the tire, and you need to make sure you jack up in a nice firm place. So right underneath the axle is where I'm going to go ahead and put my jack, and make sure it's in a nice firm place so that you don't jack up something you shouldn't. Got my 2.5-ton hydraulic jack. I wonder if that's going to be enough. We'll find out. Get it up there so I can work on it. Alright, so I got a couple tools here. I'm going to pop off this cap. Alright, got it off, and underneath there's lots of grease. I'll clean a little bit of that off. So I'll put this up here so I don't lose it. Good idea to make sure you put your stuff where you can find it, so when you put it back together, you got it. Let's see what we got here. Yeah. You did a fine job of greasing that up. Alright, so we have got one of those washers, you know, them thingamajiggers that looks just like a U. You have to knock it out. So start with this, see if I can just knock it out. Put your screwdriver in behind. There we go. And I'm talking about that kind of U-lock washer. Put it in there. Don't want to lose it. Off comes a washer, 2 washers. Put them up here. And just like that, the tire is off, and we can go fix it. I just got back from Schwab, and they put a tube in my tire. It cost me 20 bucks, and that should solve my problems. So we're going to go ahead and put that back on. Oh, disgusting. All right, here we go. Flip it on. Like that. Make sure it's greased up well. You can put these 2 back on. Got the slip nut that's going to go on there. Give it a little push. Clips into place. Put my little hubcap back on. Probably going to be the hardest part, getting that hubcap on. Oh, not really. There it went. There we go. Got the tire back on. Ready to drop it. That how you change a tire on your lawnmower. This is the shack that Dennis built. Make sure you like and subscribe.